Okay, so I'm in Korea. I'm at the Seoul airport waiting for my connecting flight to Osaka. I have forever and a lifetime to go. It is 11:18. My plane does not depart till 3. So I have forever. Anyways, I want to tell you guys my story. So I had two people pass by me. And they smelled really, really, really good. And I was like, man, what does that smell? I was like, as soon as I find it, I'm going to buy it. So I walked past the store. I think it was Estee Lauder I walked past. And I went in there. I think it was, yeah, okay, so it says Estee Lauder. And I went in there, I bought it. And I went in there, and I was like, what is that sweet smell? Does it come from your store or does it come from Dior? Because Dior and Estee Lauder are next to each other. So then she was like, I think it's this one. And I was like, oh, okay. And I smelled it, and it's this smell that I've been smelling. It really smells so good. It smells like, if you want to have fun, come with me. Like, and it was just a nice hint of sweetness. And I have no idea what the name of it is. Beautiful something. I can't see because the receipt is in front of it. But when I was like, oh, how much is it? She was like, it's $119. And in my mind, okay, that's cheap. Buy it. I was just like, okay, I'll take it. She was like, what? Really? I was like, yes, I want it. So I just thought that was funny that she was taken back, that I smelled it, told me the price, and I was like, yeah, I'll take it. And I told myself I'm going to start, getting quality things. So I don't mind spending like 100, maybe 120 on perfume, since I know it's going to last for very long. It's going to last for a while because the scent definitely lingers on, and I don't need a bunch to keep it. And then this is why I love coming to Asia. People are just so nice, because I had another incident happen where my jacket fell off my waist. I didn't feel it fall until my butt started getting cold, and then there was like two people. There was like, miss, 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 and they were screaming for me, and I'm just like looking back, and then this man picked up my jacket. I was like, oh, you guys are so nice, because in America they would never. No, I wouldn't say they would never. There's some random people who are super nice, but I love coming to Asia. But I'm just gonna continue to sit here, wait for my flight, and then be bored because I don't know my homework. I finally don't have homework to do, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna sit here for like 3 more hours and go back home to Osaka and relax, because I had planned to go to the gym. I was like, I'm gonna go to the gym when I land. Absolutely not. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I've been traveling since, well, my flight departed at 1:40 in the morning, but I went to the airport at like 11. I got there at like 11, we're gonna say. I'm so tired, and the plane was so uncomfortable. But luckily this next plane is only like maybe an hour and a half, so yeah, that's my little rant. So I'll just see you guys when I'm in Osaka. Hey guys, so I made it to my hotel, and this hotel is really nice, but I only have it for one day and I'm kind of sad. Also, the hotel, before I give you the room tour, the hotel has free drink from 3 p.m. to 8:30, and then it's all you can eat ramen from like 9 till midnight, I think. And then they have a private onsen, and then they have a public bath, but I decided to do the private onsen at 10 p.m. because I just want to relax without other people looking at me, because I know they're not used to people with big chi-chis here, because the women are always staring at me when I'm in the public bath. So to avoid that, I got a private onsen. But before I go downstairs and start drinking, I wanted to give you guys a room tour before I unleash everything, put everything everywhere. So okay, so when you walk in, I haven't even looked at the bathroom yet. This is what the bathroom is looking like. This is pretty nice, and it was only like $60 for a night. This is what the shower is looking like. And then I'm one person, but this room came with 2 rooms. Also, this is tatami mat, so make sure you put your slippers on. I love the tatami mat, TV, complimentary 2 bottles of water, a kettle. I'm assuming that this is the little fridge. Let me see. Yes, this is a fridge. I have not seen one like this. This is actually pretty cute. You got a working desk, 2 coffee cups, instructions on how to use the air conditioner, but I'm a pro at the air conditioner because I do have it on. And oh, so you got a blow dryer, and then you have the outfits. It's not just it's not just the moo it's actually pants and a top. So this is cute and it's comfy. I low key want to take it. But what's in this one at the bottom? Oh, a safe. I never put anything in that safe because I just don't. And then you have 2 USB cords over there. And all these light switches. I just realized all these light switches. I'm pretty sure these switches are to turn the lights off when you're being lazy. Yeah, entranceway, the ceiling. What is down? Oh, it's that light. Okay. Ambient light. I'm assuming it's that one because that one was going in and out. And then the reading light. Oh, and then more USBs. Of course, non-smoking room. This is a really nice hotel. I am not upset about it at all, and it actually looks like the pictures. It's actually a nice size because I feel like over here they are finessing with the pictures, and the pictures to make it look so big, but in reality it's a small room. But this is a nice size room. So, but for now, I'm gonna go downstairs, get a few drinks before they stop serving at 8:30, then come back up, shower, and then go back down for all the free ramen, which is great because I was wanting ramen anyways. So, and then after I eat ramen, then it's on to the onsen, and then I'm pretty sure I'm going to knock out after that because I've been traveling forever. I started traveling at like 11 p.m. yesterday. So, I got a little bit of energy left for all that. But anyways, I'm gonna catch y'all. Maybe I'll film some of me getting the ramen. I'm not sure. But if not, then I will catch you guys tomorrow. I so wish you were here. This hotel that I'm staying in Osaka has free all you can drink until like 8:30. This is like mojito. No, this is melon mix with ice cream and vodka. And then I got some plum wine. Like, I've had a long day, so I got 2 drinks. Okay, so instead of doing the public bath, I decided to do the private onsen. I think I said something like that earlier when I was filming. I don't know, I don't remember, but let me give you guys a tour. Okay, so this is what the room was looking like. I got all this to myself. Now I'm about to relax. Relaxing. I need to do this. I've been traveling non-stop. This is from 30 countries. I was from Taiwan to Bali, now I'm in Japan. I low-key want to go to China, but I don't know. We'll see. I think we're probably set in stone of going to Hokkaido, which is also nice. Another part of Japan I have never been to. So. For now, I'm just going to relax here, try to fall asleep. I will see y'all tomorrow. I had to come back on here and let y'all know, like, it was so crazy downstairs. I didn't film anything. It was just too overwhelming. There was people everywhere. Like, you tell anybody there's free drink, everybody and their mama is downstairs. Like, I think the whole hotel was downstairs. But I managed to get a few drinks before. I have had, like, I've had a little bit of vodka, but then I had a whole cup of plum wine. Oh my gosh, I must love for plum wine. Like, I'm a wine connoisseur, and plum wine is by far the best wine for me when it comes to, like, I guess this, I don't know, I love wine. Like, I'm such a wine drinker. I don't really care for, like, hard liquor. Yo, give me some wine. I'm taking it all off. No. The plum wine is good. Like, it's just the right amount of sweetness. It's not overly sweet because, like, Stella Rosa, I don't care what nobody says, that is not wine. That is not wine. That is pure juice with a little bit of alcohol, because when you drink, you don't feel anything. And I just drank some plum wine and I'm definitely feeling it. Maybe because I haven't eaten anything, but I'm a sucker for plum wine. Buy me some plum wine and I will just do whatever. But I feel like going downstairs and see everybody with their friends makes me kind of sad, because this downside about solo traveling is seeing other people be in their friend group, or like be all coupled up and then it's just you. I mean, I make friends everywhere I go. Literally every country I've been to, I have made friends. However, I just got here, so I haven't really had the time to make any friends right now today, but I'm going to meet up with my friend tomorrow and then meet her. We're just gonna have quite the adventure. Like, we're just winging it. And then the girl, I had met this one girl in Taiwan, and she wants to meet up for lunch. And I was like, oh my gosh, for real? So I'm just like, yes, making my little community in Japan. So when I move here, I don't think I'm going to feel homesick. I feel like a lot of people who move abroad feel homesick because they don't have friends or they haven't found their circle. I have already found my circle. Like, I have a few friends that live here in Japan. I got one friend that lives in Tokyo, and then now I have one friend that lives in Osaka, and I want to live in Osaka because I love Osaka. Osaka is different. And it's fun. The people are chill. Tokyo is too New York for me. It's too much hustle and bustle. I don't like it. So I was like, I'm going to come to Osaka. And Osaka is cheaper anyways when it comes to renting. And I'm so excited to see my friend tomorrow. I'm going to go to this place called Objects. Because my friend's dog passed away. Get her a trinket that, remember her cute little doggy by. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to Objects and try to find something to create there. I wish I could like make something custom, like a custom necklace with the picture of her dog or something. I don't know. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. I'm gonna Google tonight and then try to find find a place that can do that. Because if we can, because that would be really great. I want to do that for her. So I'm gonna have so much fun. So I'm meeting up with my friend that I met in Taiwan. Her and her husband are hilarious. And then after that, we're gonna go do shisha. We're gonna do I think we're doing karaoke. I want to do karaoke. Then we're gonna go to I think we're going to a baseball game. I don't know. I just want to do everything. Like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so sad when I have to go home. But I'm just counting down the days. Counting down the days when I can move here. Like, it makes me so excited. Like, Japan is my home. I literally was like, I cannot wait to go home. And I'm going to go on a whole rant about Bali. But that's going to be a different video. It's not going to be this one. Because I have lots to say about Bali. Beautiful country. Beautiful people. But I have lots to say. Anyways, I'm probably going to knock out like at midnight. Because I need to do some research on places that I can find to make her a trinket. I think she'll really love that. See, this is why, like, I came on my rant. This is why I say, when you get to a point in your life, you should start eliminating is a strong word. Get rid of people who no longer add value to your life, and friendship as well, because I had a friendship that was very one-sided. We're no longer friends anymore, which is fine, because I'm not dealing with somebody who's going to be abusive to me and somebody who puts their hands on me. You get one chance with me, one. You do not get two. Once you get that one, I have to cut you off. Like, I have no problem acting like I have never met that person before in my life. I have no problem. Like, it's so quick for me to, like, cut it off. Like, now I may talk about a story or something, memories or whatever, but I have no problem cutting it off. Like, trust me, you will never get another phone call or text from me ever again in this lifetime or the next lifetime, because I'm going to make sure that my soul remembers the BS that you did. So, and since I've cut the toxic relationships away, my life has blossomed. I'm getting so much stuff done. Like, I feel like I'm getting a lot of blessings. Also, you have to work really hard for it too, because I'm just like, it was a whole journey getting to where I am now. Like, I literally used to take the city bus. And now, I mean, I've been had my vehicle. I'm almost done. I'm basically done with school at this point, and now I'm about to embark on a whole new journey. Once everything is like set in stone, I'm gonna have to fill you guys in. I don't know if that rant made any sense at all, because I'm definitely feeling it. Anyway, so I'm gonna see you guys. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Yes, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. I am about to check out of this hotel. I'm gonna have them hold my bags because I'm not gonna go to my Airbnb just yet. And besides, I don't think I can check until like 12 or 1. But that's fine because now I need to go on an adventure to find my friend like a cute little trinket to I don't know the word I'm looking for. Basically, a little trinket for her dog that passed away. But first, souffle pancakes, of course, because they're my favorite thing, and this is the whole reason why I want to move to Japan, specifically for souffle pancakes. Does it make sense? No. Does it taste good? Yes. Okay, so I thought you were supposed to go inside, but you don't have to go inside. So that's why I just filmed myself praying. Honestly, I couldn't remember how to pray. I know it's like clap twice, do the prayer, bow twice, and then clap twice again. I think that's how it goes. I don't know, don't quote me. When I see my friend later on today, I'm going to ask her because I need to remember how to pray. Like, honestly, praying makes me excited because the things that I've been praying about has been happening. So I got some big things happening here in a few months, but I don't want to talk about it until it's like actually done and set in stone. This is so nice. Anyways, 2 pancakes. So as I was leaving the shrine, I was trying to take a picture of the shrine, and this guy was literally standing in my way because I was there first, so he was in my way. That's not my station. So I was standing there trying to take my picture, and then he's like, "Oh, do you want me to take a picture of you?" I'm like, "Oh, okay, sure." And I'm thinking he's trying to be nice. He takes some pictures of me, and then he's like, "Oh, okay, can you stand to the side so I can get this picture?" And I'm like thinking to myself, you were in my way, but I guess since you took pictures of me, I guess I'll step to the side. He made me feel some type of way. So now next time somebody asks me to take a picture of me, I'll be like, no. Nah, I'm just gonna be nice still, but that guy can kick rocks, honestly.